This is the new Tuff Kuffs handcuffs. 100% stainless steel construction. Key access on both sides. Because in 22 years I never went to the right side. The bow area, this area here, was opened up to accept larger wrists. More teeth were added to close on smaller wrists. The feature of Tuff Kuffs, the design change, is this pivoting area right here, which allows, once the handcuffs are on, to turn but not go back. They always turn in one direction and never back. What that allows is the officer, once he puts the handcuffs on, he just turns the wrists, with the pivot being at the wrist, and the hands are secured palm over forearm. This is in front or back. Tuff Kuffs, they are the next generation in handcuff technology. The application of Tuff Kuffs is the same as every set of cuffs you've ever used. They go on the same, they lock the same. The difference is, once you have them on, the officer can turn them. And now they're locked like this. He cannot turn them back. They only go in one direction. Makes it much more secure. The perpetrator can no longer grab your gun, your clothing, or fight with you. When applying Tuff Kuffs behind the back, you want to make sure the subject has his wrist and palm facing outward. That's because of the twisting action of Tuff Kuffs. So the cuffs go on like they normally do. It does not matter how the right hand, which way that is facing. Tuff Kuffs goes on, and then the cuffs are turned. This secures them behind the back, palm over forearm. They cannot turn back, totally incapacitates their hands, and it's comfortable for them to sit in the vehicle like this because they're no longer sitting on their hands. Also makes it impossible for them to move the handcuffs over their butt, around their feet, and back to the front.